Here go my squirrel friend again, coming up on the kid. Hey, back up a little bit, because I'm getting used to you. I gave you a Cheeto. Good morning, friend. Back up. Don't jump on me, squirrel. This is new. Here come the birds over there. Look, they be rolling up on it. It's right here. It's right here. I'm sitting down, y'all, like, bro. Hi, squirrel friend. Look, I gave you a Cheeto. I don't know what you want. All right, come. You want coffee? Like, what you want? It's the same squirrel come see me all the time. Yep. Then it gets relaxed. You don't want the food, you just want to sit with me? Yeah, I gave you a Cheeto. You don't like cheese? Oh, I'm sorry. I don't got nothing else.